8 fruits that will cleanse your kidneys fast. The kidneys are vital organs in the human body, performing essential functions such as filtering blood, removing waste products, regulating blood pressure, balancing electrolytes, and producing hormones that influence metabolism and blood cell production. Maintaining the health and functionality of the kidneys is crucial, yet they can be susceptible to damage or overload due to various factors, including dehydration, infections, diabetes, high blood pressure, kidney stones, and exposure to environmental pollutants. These conditions can lead to serious health issues like kidney stones or kidney failure. It's encouraging to know that with proper care and attention to kidney health, one can significantly reduce these risks. Diet plays a key role in maintaining kidney health. Specific foods, particularly certain fruits, have been identified for their effectiveness in cleansing the kidneys. These fruits aid in detoxifying the organs, reducing inflammation, and providing essential antioxidants and nutrients that support kidney health and functionality. Here, we will explore the top 8 fruits that are particularly beneficial for cleansing your kidneys, as supported by scientific studies. 1. Cranberries. Known for their positive impact on kidney health, cranberries prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs, which can affect kidney function. They contain proanthocyanidins, preventing bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract walls, thus flushing out harmful bacteria. They are also low in potassium, phosphorus, and sodium, beneficial for those with kidney disease, and are rich in vitamin C, combating oxidative stress and inflammation. Studies indicate that cranberries can lower the risk of UTIs and kidney stones. 2. Lemons. These citrus fruits, with their high citric acid content, are effective in preventing kidney stone formation by binding with calcium in the urine. This process reduces the growth of calcium crystals, which can cause kidney stones. Lemons are also high in vitamin C, boosting the immune system and protecting the kidneys from infections. Lemonade therapy, involving the consumption of lemon juice mixed with water, has shown to decrease the risk of kidney stone formation. 3. Blueberries. Packed with antioxidants called anthocyanins, blueberries offer anti-inflammatory and anti-diabetic properties, protecting the kidneys from damage caused by various diseases. They are low in sodium, phosphorus, and potassium, making them a suitable choice for those with kidney issues. 4. Pineapples. Containing bromelain, an enzyme that reduces inflammation and helps in dissolving kidney stones, pineapples are also rich in vitamin C and provide citrate, which prevents the formation of kidney stones. 5. Watermelons. High in water content, watermelons act as natural diuretics, aiding in the elimination of kidney toxins. They contain lycopene, an antioxidant with anti-inflammatory properties, crucial for kidney health. 6. Apples. Apples are high in pectin, a soluble fiber that lowers blood sugar levels and helps prevent diabetes, a major cause of kidney damage. They also have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, protecting the kidneys from oxidative stress. 7. Grapes. Grapes contain resveratrol, which has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antifibrotic effects on the kidneys. This compound is beneficial in preventing or reducing kidney damage caused by inflammation and scarring. 8. Strawberries. Rich in anthocyanins, strawberries have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, regulating blood sugar levels and preventing diabetes-related kidney damage. Including these fruits in your diet can enhance kidney function and prevent kidney-related issues. However, it's important to note that while these fruits offer significant benefits, they are not a substitute for medical treatment. Consulting a doctor before making dietary changes, especially if you have kidney disease or any other health condition, is advisable. Also, moderation is key, as excessive intake of anything can be harmful. Cranberries, for instance, not only prevent UTIs but also reduce the formation of kidney stones by altering the pH of the urine. Lemons, through their citric acid content, prevent stones and help break down existing ones. Blueberries protect the kidneys from oxidative damage, common in conditions like diabetes and high blood pressure. Pineapples, with their anti-inflammatory properties, are beneficial for those with chronic kidney disease. Watermelons, being diuretics, aid in flushing out toxins, preventing the buildup of harmful substances that can lead to kidney stones or other kidney-related problems. Apples, with their pectin content, manage blood sugar levels, indirectly protecting the kidneys from damage caused by diabetes. Grapes and strawberries, with resveratrol and anthocyanins respectively, not only protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation, but also have been shown to improve kidney function in certain studies. These fruits help maintain overall kidney health and can be beneficial for those at risk of kidney diseases or managing kidney-related conditions. Incorporating these fruits into your diet contributes positively to kidney health. However, dietary choices should be part of a holistic approach to health, including regular checkups, staying hydrated, exercising, and avoiding harmful habits like smoking or excessive alcohol consumption. We invite you to share your experiences. Do you regularly include these fruits in your diet? Have you observed any improvements in your kidney health? Your feedback is important, so please share your experiences and opinions in the comments below. We appreciate your engagement and thank you for your attention to this vital aspect of health.